All right. Hello, fellow programmers. Is your coding rabbi here, and today we are gonna go over a project that I want everyone to attempt with me explaining what you need to do, and then I will do a follow-up video on how to do what I am asking you to do. So today we are going to do something called flow control. Now, flow control is super important in C++ because if you just start doing things with no rhyme or reason and then you go to, let's say you want to change something, and then you go to that area to change, and then you realize you have no idea where you need to go after you make your change. So we're just going to do a little project understanding the basics of flow control. It's just going to be a handful of functions, and the player is going to be choosing between the options that you give them. And then in our next project that we're going to do, we're going to involve classes, header files, and all that jazz. But I think you should understand this video first. Well, I guess this project first before you move on into the grand Taj Mahal, because as they say, you can't run if you don't learn how to walk properly first. So in flow control, you're going to want to give your user two options of two different games to play. It can be any games you want. In the assignment I was given, it was to choose between League of Legends and Call of Duty. And then based on what your user picks, we will then branch off further down the line. Paint this. So we're pretty much just going to start here, and then we're going to branch off, and then one option is going to have this and this, and then the other option is going to have this or this, and then potentially into this or this. So one avenue is going to have two streams, and then one avenue is just going to have one. It'll be fun. So after you pick League of Legends, we'll just do LOL. You will then ask the user to pick between three characters to play, and then that will be that. Or if they pick Call of Duty, call COD, then you ask the user to pick between three different weapons to use. Could be AR, SMG, sniper, whatever you deem fit. And then once you decide what weapon to use, you're going to want to ask the user to pick their play method. So it could be like PS5, PC. I don't know if you could play Call of Duty on the Switch, so on and so forth. And then once they pick their console to play on, game over. And I should mention up here, we do the game over only asking the characters because LOL can only be played on the PC. So it's fair enough. And then we're going to go over how to add a play again function. And then that's that. So I want y'all to try to make a program using switch cases or if else statements, or if you have another way that you could come up with how to do this properly, I would love to see it. Comment your GitHub and then the repository that you made your project on, and it would be super fun to see what everyone comes up with. So get to it, programmers, and I will be posting a video on how to do this very soon. Oh, thanks for watching.